Hello friends, look what I found. Dinosaur eggs. I wonder which dinos are hiding inside. Whoa, here comes a fiery red egg. I think there's a strong dino inside. Let's find out. Roar! It's a T-Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. A green egg hiding in the jungle. What dinosaur could be hiding inside this time? Wow, a Brontosaurus and so big and friendly. A blue egg near the water? Maybe this dino likes to splash. What dino could it be? Look at those plates. It's a Stegosaurus. So cool. A yellow egg? Maybe a strong and brave dinosaur? What could it be? Stomp, stomp, it's a Triceratops, strong and smart. Oh, here comes a flying purple egg. Could it be a dinosaur with wings? Wow, a pterodactyl, a flying dinosaur. Oh no, the animal eggs are mixed up again. Can you remember which one is which? Who made that sound? Let's listen. Roar, munch, stomp, screech. Let's dance like dinosaurs. Stomp, flap, and roar. Well done! Let's count our dinosaur friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. You found all the surprises and learned dinosaurs and names. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures on Kiwi Groove.